Hi there, students. To garnish, a verb, a garnish, a noun, both countable and uncountable. Let's see, to garnish means to decorate, but we use this word particularly for food. Yeah, very often you go out to eat and your plate will come and it's garnished with a bit of lettuce or a little bit of salad or some parsley on top or other herbs. And garnish is something that is used to decorate a dish to make it look better. You can use it in other contexts as well, but it's most common within the food industry, within food and drink. Let's see. Okay, they have garnished the outside of the building with holly to celebrate the coming of Christmas. Okay, so it's to embellish, to decorate, to adorn. Yeah, very often that people use watercress to garnish a dish, or your steak comes garnished with a small salad. Yeah, decorated with. It's something that's added to make it look nice and to make it look pretty. And then you can use it both as a verb and a noun. Now notice this verb also has a legal meaning. This legal meaning is much more formal and maybe more obscure as well. Okay, firstly, to garnish legally, to serve somebody with legal papers, yeah, to give them a document, a legal document requiring them to do something. They also use this verb to garnish, meaning to take somebody's assets and or their bank account to pay back money that they owe. Yeah, so you could have your wages garnished because you received a fine or something like that. Okay, but this is a legal use, either to serve papers on somebody or to take money from somebody's wages or even to take their property in order to satisfy a debt. But this is a legal usage. Okay, so to garnish, the main idea is to decorate, to embellish, to make something look pretty. Yeah, is to decorate food with a small amount of something different, very often with some sort of vegetables or herbs or something like that. Okay, yeah, the jacket was garnished with fur trimmings. It had fur on the ends of the sleeves, for example. Yeah, and you could use garnish like that as well, but first and foremost it's used with food. Okay, so to garnish, to decorate, to adorn, to embellish. Yeah. Okay, so he prepared the dish and then he garnished it with various things to make it look appetizing and more beautiful, but effectively more generally to give decorations to adorn. So yeah, he arrived at the party garnished in a strange disguise. Yeah, decorated. That's the idea. Okay, so formality. I think garnish food I would probably give a 6 in formality. I think informally to decorate. And then this garnish legally, 7.5 in formality, something like that. And then as to origin, let's see, this comes from the French word garnir, or guarnir, to effectively to garnish, which comes from Proto-Germanic wamijana, to worry or to care about, to take care of. So to garnish, to decorate, or to take away your wages, or to serve notice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Garnish.